Thank you for tuning back into Reading with Us. Tonight we are reading The Moody. Mischievous Stan was always getting up to no good. He also had a very special secret. He created an amazing machine that could suck up anything that was happy or fun. He proudly named his gizmo the Moody. The Moody! And Stan was itching to try it out. His sister's bedroom was the perfect place to test out his invention. Within seconds, the little machine began gobbling up all the girly niceness. Stan was very impressed with its powers. Outside, a couple were admiring a huge colorful rainbow up in the sky. Stan wasted no time and got straight to work. Still snickering to himself, Stan made a quick escape. At the zoo, naughty Stan sneaked his Hoover past the man in the ticket booth. Inside, there was so much color, happiness, and fun to choose from. Stan was spoilt for choices. Then he spotted the perfect target. This will be simple, thought Stan as he flicked the switch to on his machine and immediately came to life and guzzled up a little boy's ice cream and all the zebra stripes. Oh! This is so much fun, laughed Stan as he came across another opportunity. Stan's Hoover sucked up all the happy bright colors in no time. Down the street, Stan could hear music coming from the concert hall. Sneaking through the back door, he placed his device behind the large stage curtain. It instantly kicked into action. And suddenly, all the music was sucked into the Hoover. On the bus, Stan noticed a girl wearing bright red boots. With her gum, she blew a huge big bubble! Bang! Much to her horror of all the other passengers, this made Stan giggle out loud. They both got off at the stop by the park, and the girl brought some colorful lollipops. Stan was really itching to cause more mayhem. Yup, they look far too happy, said Stan as he tried to start up his machine, but nothing happened. It must be clogged up, he thought as he kicked it in frustration. In the park, Stan noticed the girl arming the flowers, and suddenly they were surrounded by lots of beautiful fluttering butterflies. Yuck! I hate butterflies, said Stan. Roll, 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 went the machine, but nothing happened. "Why doesn't it work?" muttered Stan under his breath, determined to hoover up the lollipop. Stan set his machine to maxima. That means full power. But again, nothing happened. "Don't look so sad. This will cheer you up," said the girl in the red boots. Suddenly, there was lots of flashing lights and strange noises and smoke as the machine shook out of control, followed by a big explosion. Kaboom! Instantly, Stan and the girl were covered in a huge glittery shower of all the beautiful things that the Hoover had gobbled up. How amazing, thought Stan. As they walked through the park, the butterflies followed them, and Stan had forgotten all about his mood fever. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, and make sure you press that red subscribe button. Have a great night.